Innovative Kids channel.
Hello parents and kids, welcome to Innovative Kids channel. This video is about learning household chores together builds responsibility and teamwork. Join us as we explore fun, easy tasks that help keep your home neat and tidy.
I make my bed every morning.
I make my bed every morning.
I wash the dishes after dinner.
I wash the dishes after dinner.
I vacuum the living room.
I vacuum the living room.
I dust the shelves and tables.
I dust the shelves and tables.
I sweep the kitchen floor.
I sweep the kitchen floor.
I mop the bathroom floor.
I mop the bathroom floor.
I clean the windows with glass cleaner.
I clean the windows with glass cleaner.
I wipe down the kitchen counters.
I wipe down the kitchen counters.
I take out the trash every night.
I take out the trash every night.
I do the laundry on Saturdays.
I do the laundry on Saturdays.
I fold the clean clothes.
I fold the clean clothes.
I iron my shirts.
I iron my shirts.
I set the table for dinner.
I set the table for dinner.
I water the plants in the living room.
I water the plants in the living room.
I feed the pets in the morning.
I feed the pets in the morning.
I clean the litter box for the cat.
I clean the litter box for the cat.
I organize my bookshelf.
I organize my bookshelf.
I change the bed sheets once a week.
I change the bed sheets once a week.
I vacuum the car on weekends.
I vacuum the car on weekends.
I clean the bathroom sink and mirror.
I clean the bathroom sink and mirror.
I wipe down the kitchen appliances.
I wipe down the kitchen appliances.
I clean the microwave.
I clean the microwave.
I empty the dishwasher.
I empty the dishwasher.
I wipe down the TV screen.
I wipe down the TV screen.
I dust the ceiling fans.
I dust the ceiling fans.
I polish the wooden furniture.
I polish the wooden furniture.
I clean out the fridge.
I clean out the fridge.
I wipe down light switches and doorknobs.
I wipe down light switches and doorknobs.
I sweep the front porch.
I sweep the front porch.
I rake the leaves in the yard.
I rake the leaves in the yard.
I take out the recycling.
I take out the recycling.
I change the towels in the bathroom.
I change the towels in the bathroom.
I clean the shower curtain.
I clean the shower curtain.
I tidy up my room before bed.
I tidy up my room before bed.
I wash the car on Sundays.
I wash the car on Sundays.
I pick up toys from the floor.
I pick up toys from the floor.
I dust the picture frames.
I dust the picture frames.
I wipe down the dining table.
I wipe down the dining table.
I organize the bathroom cabinet.
I organize the bathroom cabinet.
I clean the washing machine.
I clean the washing machine.
I wipe down the kitchen cabinets.
I wipe down the kitchen cabinets.
I sanitize the bathroom fixtures.
I sanitize the bathroom fixtures.
I fluff the pillows on the couch.
I fluff the pillows on the couch.
I vacuum under the beds.
I vacuum under the beds.
I check the mail and sort it.
I check the mail and sort it.
I wipe down the refrigerator door.
I wipe down the refrigerator door.
I make a grocery list.
I make a grocery list.
I wash the pet's bedding.
I wash the pet's bedding.
I put away clean dishes.
I put away clean dishes.
I vacuum the rugs in the hallway.
I vacuum the rugs in the hallway. Thanks for watching. For watching more kids educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.